If you're a cyclist looking to train smarter, my Whoosh might catch your eye. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a basic cycling app. The surprising truth is that my Whoosh is a virtual cycling platform that combines training, gamification, and live racing, making it perfect for cyclists of all levels who want a more engaging experience. My Whoosh allows you to ride on virtual courses, compete in live races, and track detailed metrics like speed, power, cadence, and heart rate. It syncs with most smart trainers and sensors, giving you accurate performance data. The platform also offers training programs for endurance, strength, and interval sessions, helping you reach your cycling goals efficiently. A standout feature is the community aspect. You can join global challenges, participate in virtual events, and compare your stats with other riders, adding motivation and accountability to your training. The app's interface is intuitive, making it easy to set up workouts, join races, or review performance data. However, my Whoosh has some limitations. Some features, like premium training plans or advanced analytics, require a subscription. The app also relies heavily on stable internet connectivity for live events, so offline usage is limited. And while the virtual courses are fun, they may not fully replicate outdoor cycling conditions. In conclusion, my Whoosh is excellent for cyclists looking to add structure, motivation, and fun to their training. Whether you're racing virtually, following a structured plan, or just exploring new courses, my Whoosh makes indoor cycling engaging and data-driven. If this review helped you decide whether my Whoosh is right for your cycling routine, subscribe for more honest reviews, fitness app guides, and tips to optimize your training.